Okay, so there's two different modes of operation on this machine. If you're running production, you're typically going to be in automatic mode. If you do need to operate the machine in manual mode, usually that's done offline, and typically you always have to click this icon here with the hand to be able to do all of the functions manually. You can move your reciprocator, it's your home, that's how you jog them back and forth, and you can also trigger your guns. If we want to go from automatic to manual, I can either hit stop automatic start, or I could have hit stop start manual and it would have stopped automatic, and then hit start again and it would start manual cycle. Again, if I want to go back to automatic, starting the other, we'll put it in a neutral state, and I can hit start again. So in production, you're always going to want to run in automatic mode, where the in-feed rollers are rolling, ready to accept product, always ready to spray material. Manual mode, you're going to want to use typically offline, when you're wanting to test something, you're wanting to check something out. Be able to trigger the guns, you'd be able to move the reciprocator arm back and forth, you'd be able to move the paper belt, be able to check your gun patterns, and make sure there's no plug tip. Waiting for operator start, then you go manual, and then I can move my belt,